Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha Sultana Narayanpet. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to write your arts and theatre record, which comes under B.Ed third semester, which is specifically called as EPC 5 Fine Arts and Theatre. Okay. So this video is going to be very helpful for all the B.Ed students who are confused about how to prepare this record properly. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, as you can see, I have started the record with the index page because it is very first you have to write all that certificate and declaration, and then you have to then comes the index page because it is very important to write all the contents correctly in sequence. Okay, after that I have written the introduction, introduction, and then definition and meaning of drama. Then I included the types of art and different forms of drama like tragedy, comedy, melodrama, tragic comedy, satire, propaganda drama, and many more. Okay, next I wrote about the elements of drama such as characters, stage or platform, plot, dialogue, literary elements, okay, technical elements, sound, costumes and makeup, stage design and stage props. Okay, then I explained the integration of drama in the school curriculum and also the steps in the construction of drama, like selection of drama, reading, casting, blocking, characterization, technical rehearsal, grand rehearsal, and finally performing the drama. Okay, after that I also included the steps in the teaching process such as selection of content, introduction stage, developmental stage, and conclusion stage. Okay, then I added some theater activities like mirror game, concentration activities, gibberish game, okay, and dialogue delivery activities. Now coming to the main part, the drama which I have written in this record. So basically, this drama is based on the comparison between a rich family child and a poor family child. Okay, so in the drama, the child from the rich family studies in a private school, whereas the child from the poor family studies in a government school. As we all know, many people believe that private school provide better education and students become more successful there. On the flip side, on the other hand, government school are often underestimated. Okay, but I believe that this is all myth. If a child, if a kid, okay, if a student wants to be very interested in his studies or in her studies, then then that type of students achieve their success. So but in this drama I tried to show the opposite side as well. Okay, the child studying in private school is not serious about studies and does not focus properly, while the child studying in the government school works hard and excels in academics. Okay, so the main message of this drama is that success depends on dedication and hard work, not only the type of school. And finally I completed the record with the conclusion and references. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope this video helps you in preparing your own arts and theatre record easily. And one important thing, please take this record only as a reference. Do not copy it exactly as it is. Try to create your own drama and write it in your own way so that you can understand the concept properly. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.